Hello, this is Dr. Miller coming to you. This is for my students in my ELA or math classes. Some will apply to more than one and others things won't apply to all of you. But I wanted to show you what is in the math tub or the tub that I brought you. It's got both stuff for math and English. First of all, there are some color crayons. So for those of you that are doing social studies or science or some other things that you may need to do some coloring on that I've asked you to do that. If you don't have color pencils at home, you can do that. Please use at least 3 colors per page. You've also got a calculator, okay? So when we get to the math, we are using calculators. Just go step by step. We've used calculators a lot. We've used these very calculators a lot in class. Okay, a lot of our stuff is dry erase, so I have a couple dry erase markers in there as well as a dry erase board eraser. All the math stuff is designed to be dry erase, so you can do a couple pages and then erase them and do them again the following week. If you are in my English language arts, I'm going to have a couple times I ask you to highlight different words that you find in the story. And so I've got a couple highlighters in there for you. Again, if you're in my English language arts, at the end of the unit, at the end of the chapter, we'll be taking a comprehension quiz where you will be cutting out different words and pasting them onto the sheet like we do every week in class. Here's a couple glue sticks for you. We'll be doing money. So some of you are wondering what this egg tray is in here. Well, I've got here a baggie full of money. Got nickels, quarters, dimes, and pennies, as long as some dollar bills. Some of you might actually have some $5 bills or $10 bills, depending what you are working on. So that's basically what is in there. Now again, if you're in my English language arts class, you might find some other things that were in this tub, including word definition cards, which is a packet of different picture cards with words and their definitions. And then high frequency word cards, which have different words that are used in the story that are used quite commonly in the English language. Okay. You'll also find another English language option that might be in your tub or might be in your yellow book. It's called our spelling tic-tac-toe. Write the words 3 times each. Write the words with bubble letters. Rainbow. Write the words. This is just an option. One of the activities is to pick one of these things and go ahead and write some of these high frequency words on your notebook that I've given you. You should also have a notebook in there. Okay. And on the back side of this, again, this is for English language arts, roll and read sight words. So for example, the sheet I gave you might ask you to go ahead and pull out some high frequency word cards. So I'm just going to pick a couple. 1 will be other, 2 will be around. Oh, you can't see that here. So 1 will be other, 2 will be around, 3 would be wood, and you just pick whatever ones you want to be there. And there we go. We got six words there. So as you roll the dice, and every bin has a couple regular dice and then a 10-sided dice. Go ahead and roll the dice, and say if I rolled a number 3, and 3 was the word wood, I'll just go ahead and write the word wood right there. Then I'd roll the dice again, and maybe this time I'd roll a number 5, so I would write the word black right there. And maybe I roll it again and I get a number 3 again, so I write the word wood again. And basically it's a game to see which word wins by getting to the top. Once the first column gets to the top, you can stop, and if not, you can go ahead and do blackout and fill out all of the words. Let me put those away. And I'll end this video now, and the next video will be mostly for English language arts. Thank you.